Hi, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Stephanie. I am a classically trained pastry chef and the owner of a boutique bakery. Today, I'll be showing you how to make a caramel peanut butter tart. This tart consists of a rich caramel peanut butter filling topped with a chocolate ganache and baked in a rich chocolate cookie dough type crust. So let's get started. Start by combining a 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, 1/4 cup of heavy cream, and 3/4 cup of peanut butter. Now, using a whisk, combine these ingredients until they're well blended. Next, place 1/2 cup of butter, or 4 ounces, 1/2 cup of light brown sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt in a saucepan. Begin heating this over medium heat and stir the ingredients together until the butter and sugar melt and the mixture begins to simmer. Once it starts to simmer, remove the pan from the heat. Now it's time to add the peanut butter mixture that we made earlier to the saucepan. Whisk this until it's very smooth. Next, pour this mixture into a 12-inch tart pan lined with the pre-baked chocolate crust. And finally, bake in a preheated oven for 10 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. After the tart is baked and cooled, it's now time to make the chocolate ganache topping. Place 6 ounces or 1 cup of chocolate and 3 tablespoons of butter in a bowl. Now heat 1/2 cup of heavy cream and 1 tablespoon of light corn syrup until it is just simmering. Pour the cream and corn syrup over the bowl of chocolate and let this sit for about 3 minutes to soften the chocolate slightly. Then whisk it until it's smooth. Now pour the chocolate ganache over the tart filling. Then place in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes to allow the chocolate to set. Once the chocolate is set, decorate the tart any way you like. What I've chosen to do here is to drizzle with some caramel sauce and sprinkle with crushed peanut brittle.